Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if you keep getting the import preview failed error. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and it's going to open up this main page. From there in the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and create one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From this home page, we can get started with accessing our editor mode. In the upper left corner, our configuration tab, site settings, and so on to manage our website. So now let's go ahead and follow this thread right here on the official Odoo forums on importing preview failed due to model name error. So this is something a lot of people have faced. As you can see, if you go to the official odoo.com/forum articles right here and search for similar threads, you're going to find multiple ones, and you're going to see the answers by here by people who are more knowledgeable with Odoo and core developers. So basically guys, you may get this message if a special character like this one right here is present in your column names, and this is what you want to do guys. You want to go and remove it from any of your code. So you can see this is usually the main problem. So what you want to do is go and manage your code right here, optimize your code, and get started removing any kind of these characters, which is going to fix your error, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.